If your Xbox controller won't connect to your PC, don't worry, it's usually an easy fix. Step 1. Check your connection type. For wired, make sure the USB cable is fully plugged in and working. For wireless, hold the pairing button on your controller and connect via Bluetooth or the Xbox wireless adapter. Step 2. Update your drivers. Go to Device Manager, find your controller under Xbox Peripherals or Human Interface Devices, and update the driver. Step 3. Restart the Xbox services on your PC. Type services.msc in the search bar, find Xbox services, and restart them. This often fixes connection issues. Step 4. Test with another USB port or a different controller to rule out hardware problems. Step 5. Make sure your PC is fully updated. Windows updates often fix controller compatibility issues automatically. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.